what sort of pain did you have before you had your knee done?
I first started noticing pain about 10 years ago, then got diagnosed about 7 years ago after an x-ray. And I could cope for a while. I was walking and swimming and everything. But the last couple of years, well, since lockdown actually, when I stopped going out so much, it's gradually got worse. I should have had the operation in March, but unfortunately it was cancelled by the hospital, in that stage I had to go into a wheelchair. I just couldn't, couldn't manage the pain. Yeah. But as soon as I had the op, that's improved tremendously.
Yeah, absolutely. No, it sounds as though you suffered quite a lot. And how were you managing stairs at that time?
Very carefully.
Okay,
one at a time.
And with a banister?
And with my husband behind me to make sure I didn't fall down.
So like this?
Yes.
Yeah, that's
yes.
Catching it, yeah, that's good. Okay, and what about sleep at night? Was that awkward for you?
Yes, it was a horrible time. It was very depressing. I wasn't expecting the emotional side of it to be quite as bad as it was.
That's a really good point, actually, and something that it's something that people watching tonight might appreciate, and they'll get it in their when they're treating people for knee pain, is how awful this is for people. We don't get this because we are in and out. No one tells the surgeon how they're feeling, which I'm very grateful for actually. But your guys will be with the patient for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and they'll get much more of this from the patient. It is really, there's some very good data to show that the longer you wait, the more physically depressed you get. And it can make people very tearful sometimes.
Well, I'm struck because you said if the waiting list is 4 years, and I'm waiting until the last possible minute to get my knee replaced. But actually, I had mine replaced so I could no longer cycle. If they'd said to me, well, it'll be 4 years before you get your knee replaced, that would have been devastating.
And so now we're getting the problem that we used to get in the NHS, is that people are actually getting their name on the list with minimal symptoms because they know it's going to be 4 years. So it compounds it really.
A bit like Eton, where your parents put your name down at birth. For your
That's right, yes, exactly, yes, or even before birth.